Incogni promo code, get the best value for your money. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use a search bar to find the Incogni promo code. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides the best deals on Incogni. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open the website. Here you will find different deals and offers that provide discounts. So select one that fits your needs and a pop-up will appear on the screen with the promo code. Tap on copy code button and then tap on go to shop to open the Incogni website or open the mobile app for subscription. Log into your account and when you are going to purchase a plan, apply the copied promo code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can find Incogni promo code. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.